The reason why you should spend more than 10,000 on a mouse is simple. When it is used to get more out of your work. If you need your mouse to do more than just scrolling the web, then this is the best one you can buy. This is the Logitech MX Master 4 and it's worth every single rupee if you need productivity but nothing else. Let's get into it. The first upgrade from the previous version is it got haptics. When you turn it on, it vibrates, kind of like how the MacBook trackpad works. There is no real click happening inside, but the vibration feels so real and so crisp. So every time you press this side button, you feel small buzz. When you switch tabs or any tools, you feel the buzz and you know it worked. No more second guessing or looking down. That's what will keep you fast at the work you do. And this side button can do a lot more. You see this ring right here near your thumb. It's called the action ring, and it changes based on which app you are using. You can set it up however you want. In a video editing app, one press switch your tools. In your browser, one press can open Gemini or any AI tab you want. You can open Finder, play, pause, take screenshots. Your favorite tools are right at your thumb, and this will save you hours every month. And the same goes for the extra button up here. You can set them to copy, paste, undo, whatever you use the most. Or you can even set up any keyboard shortcuts. Or you can just use it to move back and forth while you're browsing. No more reaching for shortcuts and wasting time. And this is what a productivity mouse is meant for. More than 90% of you watching are not subscribed yet. Just hit the subscribe and like, it really helps. Coming back, you never have to worry about this mouse dying on you either. The battery lasts 70 days on a single charge. And if you forgot to charge it, just 1 minute gives you 3 hours of usage. You can charge it overnight and forget at least about 2 months, even with the impressive haptic feedback turned on. And if you're like me working on multiple laptops, this mouse can handle that too. It can pair up to 3 devices. There is one button on the bottom, you press it once and it switches. No wires, no setup, nothing. It can even work with your tablet or even on your phone. You can seamlessly switch from your tablet to laptop with a press of a button. And now you can continue your work on your laptop. The flow just never breaks. And the whole thing is built to last you years. The new design comes with more premium plastic in the right areas by reducing the usage of rubber from the previous model that wears out over time. This let it hold up really well for years without any visible scratches or that oil greasy look that was noticed in the MX Master 3. When your gadgets just work and last really longer, you can focus more on work, more peaceful. This is not a mouse you replace every year. You keep it at least for like 3 to 5 years. But I should be clear on one thing. This mouse is not meant to be anything but a productivity mouse. Like, this is not built for gaming. It's heavier to be a gaming mouse. And it doesn't have crazy specs like 26,000 dpi like high-end gaming mouses do. It maxes out at 8,000 dpi, same as the last year model. This is nothing but a productivity mouse. That is what it is made for. Again, look, if you all do is web scrolling or checking emails, then a 200 rupees mouse will do just fine. But if your computer is where you actually get your work done and you want to get more out of it, then this mouse is built exactly for that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another one.